Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn your photos into a moving sticker in Canva. So first, just open a blank design like this, and I'm going to change the background first, the background color. Let's use this gradients color, uh, this one I think. Okay, now just add your image. So by clicking on the plus icon, you can go to your gallery or click on upload, then upload your image. Here I'm going to use this image right here. Click on the image. Okay, now remove the background first. So let's go to effect, then click on the background remover. Here I'm going to just use the face part, so I'm going to click on adjust here on the background remover, then I'm going to erase the body part like this. Okay, I'm going to just use this. Now you can just go back. Okay, now to make it look like a sticker, I'm going to add some outline. So go to effect again. Here click on the effects at the bottom, then click on shadow, choose the glow option and adjust it like this. So adjust the size to your liking, lower the blur amount. Okay, I'm going to just leave the angle and distance as it is. Now change the color into the one you want. I'm going to just use a white color as the outline. Go back. Here adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 100 for the intensity, and I'm going to make the size bigger, so like this. I'm gonna check I'm going to just crop it like this. Now if you want to make it move so it looks like a moving sticker, just click on the image again, find the animate option. Here I suggest you to use the photo movement option, the motion effect I mean, and choose between these four. So let's try the rotate. Okay, it will go like that. Let's try the flicker, pulse, then wiggle. Okay, I like this one. Here you can just adjust the intensity. I'm going to lower it. Now let's just go back, make it bigger, and see the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.